Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the goal and minimal constraints so decisions stay focused. Define labels, the target size like 1,000 rows, and the output format. Next, collect accessible sources, APIs, spreadsheets, or simple web pages, and note rate limits or login needs. Then set up lightweight tooling, a Python virtualenv, pandas, and a CSV template in a project folder. Once done, pull one small sample to verify schema and adjust labels before scaling. You now automate collection and enforce consistency. Write compact scripts or use batch API calls to export everything into the chosen format. Exports should be repeatable. Once you have raw files, normalize column names and types, convert timestamps to ISO, and decide how to represent missing values. For labels, choose a practical strategy, simple rules first, then spot check with manual labeling. Make sure to attach provenance metadata to each row so you can trace where each example came from and why it looks the way it does. You finish by structuring and verifying the dataset for real use. Shuffle and split into training, validation, and test sets, for example, 80/10/10, using a fixed random seed so results are reproducible. Run quick quality checks, class balance, value distributions, and manual sample reviews to catch systemic errors. Finally, export versioned files with a README and run integrity checks like row counts and checksums. If something fails, rerun the collection on the failing subset and compare provenance to locate the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.